Welcome. In front of me is a REALME GT Neo 3T, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this device. So to get started, pull down your notifications, extend the list, and somewhere in here you will find a screen recording toggle. Now let's see if I can quickly find it, and there it is. So it is on the second page for me, and once you locate yours, you can either tap on it to immediately start recording, or you can hold it, and this will take you to the settings where you can just customize the quality of the recording. Now I would recommend changing definition to high, and that's about all I would recommend changing. Also have frame rate. Here I'll just cap it at 60. And now let's get back to the toggle. So we just need to find it once more, tap on it, continue, and agree. Now it will ask us for permission to a couple different things, like video recording, so it can record the screen, audio, so it can record the device, or microphone audio, which that was part of it, and then media or access to the device storage to save the actual recording. Now once you grant access to it, you'll have this little overlay right here where you have the close, settings option, and record. So I'll press on the record. There we go. So whatever you'll do right now will be recorded by the device. Now once you're done, just simply interact with the overlay, click on the red square, and this will automatically save your screen recording to your photos or gallery application, whatever we have right here. So it's photos. And as you can see, it shows up right up here. Now, if you have more photos and videos and stuff like that in here, you will probably also see categories. So you can find it in the albums, and there will be an album called screenshots and screen recordings, so you can locate it in there. So you can see there is the recording. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.